Ever wished your research notes could explain themselves in anime form? Google just made your oddly specific dream come true. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. NotebookLM's Video Overviews is a feature that turns your uploads into smart, bite-sized explainer videos, and it just got a visual makeover. Google's now rolling out 6 brand new styles, including anime, watercolor, papercraft, whiteboard, retro print, and heritage, giving your content a slick, personalized touch that makes even the driest topics feel fun and engaging. This visual upgrade is powered by Google's cutting-edge image generation model, Nano Banana, that recently debuted in Photoshop and took Gemini's creative output to a next level. Now it's being used to bring your notes to life with vibrant animation, whether you're cramming for exams, building a project, or trying to make sense of 47 pages of source material. All you have to do is just upload your sources into NotebookLM. You'll need a Gemini subscription to unlock all features. Then head to the Studio tab. Pro tip, don't just hit Video Overview or it'll default to the basic style. Instead, tap the pencil icon in the corner of the prompt, scroll through the style options, and pick the vibe that matches your content. Even if you want to explain a certain part by yourself in your overview, add custom instructions, and NotebookLM will handle the rest. This update follows recent changes where Google mysteriously hid 2 of NotebookLM's top prompts. The new visuals make up for it. Whether you're making study materials, prepping a pitch, or just love watching your notes come to life, NotebookLM's new video overview styles bring a whole new level of creativity and clarity to your workflow. So, when are you upgrading your notes? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.